Folks, I want to do a quick update on the Skim-Around skimmer. A lot of us have had mixed results with the Skim-Around. Here we are in the spring. A lot of things, floating on top of the pool here, North Alabama. It's key to keep the suction going. And I think I have the C O-ring down there. You see how the suction just stopped? It tends to kind of come and go. If you put it back down there, and you can hear the pump in the background kind of beginning to labor a little bit. But once the suction comes back, it tends to want to start back up. So yeah, I know a lot of us are not too pleased with the results here. You can use a larger O-ring and keep it forced down there, but you're kind of defeating the purpose then. So there you have it. It's supposed to float to the top and let you be able to release a lot of the debris that it's collected. But you just saw the suction suck back down. So it did it on its own that time, which is good. And who knows, it may work an hour here before it kind of releases. And maybe I don't understand all I know about this. But it does seem like it takes a lot of manual staying on top of it to ensure that it's working correctly. Anyway, comments welcome. I use it off and on. See, there you see it's kind of floated back up again. And in a minute, on its own, it'll suck back down. And I guess I need to do some more reading, but maybe that's the way it's supposed to go. So we do have the Polaris going on today, here late March in Alabama. And just trying to get the pool ready. Everyone be safe with the COVID-19. See, there she goes again. Right back down again. Thanks for watching. Good luck keeping your pool clean. Bye for now.